Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fix It. Join Fix It on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped Not Showing 2023. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fix It magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for Spotify and then make sure you are using the latest version of the Spotify app. If this button says Update instead of Open, then you need to update your app. Once you updated your Spotify app, check if it has solved your issue. If it didn't work, then let's move on to the next solution. Exit the App Store. Open up the Settings app on your device. After that, scroll down a bit and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. What you want to do next is scroll down and find the Spotify app. Tap on it. All you need to do next is offload the Spotify app and then reinstall it on your device. This will fix any bugs or glitches, preventing the Spotify Wrapped from being shown. After that, restart your device, and hopefully that will fix your issue. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.